fact versus fiction. We got Angel to talk about how to wash your car properly. Watch this.
Now we're gonna start cleaning the inside of this lovely CX-3. So first, I'm picking this soft tip for our dashboard. I actually tried the earlier gen of this vacuum and it was significantly louder. Now it's like a lot tamer, so hindi siya nakakaskandalo. Pero Francis, hindi ba parang ang hirap abutin ng mga nandun sa dulo?
Yes. Ngayon, ito kasi yung ginagamit natin for dashboards, no? Ngayon, meron na tayong additional extension hose. Yan. So, lalagay lang natin siya dyan. Tapos,
Flexible.
itong combination tool. And then, that's it. Pwede mo na siya
Wow!
gamitin sa mga awkward spaces.
Kung kunyari po, gusto ko yung mga singit-singit. Yung mga mahihirap.
So, sa mga corners naman, ito yung gagamitin natin.
Yung mahaba. Okay. Ngayon, yung pinaka-madaling madumihan, yung carpet.
Carpet.
Meron
So, sa carpet
tayong
naman,
special
meron tayong
head.
Special head, ito siya. Which is meron siyang rotating brush.
Oh.
Yan.
Admittedly, one of my favorite tools when cleaning the interior of my car is this baby. It's the Dyson V8 carbon fiber vacuum cleaner, and Bobby today is going to explain to me the many new features it had.
All right.
We just launched it, diba? Nung February lang, the new generation model of the Dyson vacuum came out. And di ba dati wala to?
Wala tong hose na to. This actually is one of the newest accessories, and I know it's one of your favorites now.
It
Kasi
is.
talaga napapadali na yung buhay mo, no? I mean,
That's
you can
right.
go anywhere up and down. Remember, Dyson is not only a floor solution, it's also a solution for the ceiling. In fact, we say it's a floor to ceiling solution. So all the way down here and all the way up there, in your house, in your car, wherever. And now you have the hose.
Well, what I like about this vacuum cleaner is that it's light. So hindi ako nangangalay when I use it. Do you know how heavy it is?
It's actually 4 kilograms. It's the lightest 155 air watts in the world. This is the strongest that you'll have. You'll never
Whoa.
find anything stronger than this
Wow.
at 4 kilograms. Okay?
Tama.
With the wand, it's 7 kilograms.
Okay, with the wand. Now, medyo parang sci-fi itong mga vortex niya
Oo
dito.
nga.
Pero 'di ba, this has scientific reasons why it's actually there.
Yes,
It
this is-
helps.
This is the secret of all the Dyson products. Ever since the 90s when we came out with our Dyson, it used the cyclone. There was only one cyclone before. Tapos naging 2. Ngayon, up to 15 cyclones na yan. I don't want to bore you with it, but now, sobrang dami ng cyclones that we use. We use that to separate the dirt from the air.
So it's a British product.
Yes?
And I heard a Brit explain to me na
Yeah.
kapag inuan mo siya, yung air na hinihigop niya rito and paglabas niya rito, mas malinis pa sa hangin sa Makati.
That's right.
As in, eto na lang yung hihingahin ko.
That's right. I know you did the fluffy before.
Yes.
That's right. No? The fluffy didn't have the HEPA filter.
Oh.
Ngayon, meron siyang HEPA filter na you don't have to buy a new one. Once you buy it, that's it na lang.
Yun na.
Yun na yun.
So how do you clean it?
Soap water, leave it to dry, put it back, for life na yan.
So let's go through the different accessories. Starting
Okay.
with this one, dahil nakakabit na siya, it has the soft tip
Yes. you can-
para hindi magagasgas.
Right. Oo. So you can start off like this. Ngayon, pag may mga gagasgas, lagyan mo lang ng ganito. This is actually my favorite one. Even the most basic vacuum that you'll get, kasama to. So lahat ng kunin mo na Dyson, meron ito.
Okay.
Because siya talagang gagamitin mo, itong best friend mo. Pag hindi kaya yan, gusto mo yung medyo masikip na places in your car, lipat ka na sa, ito sa crevice tool.
Okay.
Diba? Gagana mo na yan. Diba?
Yun.
Actually, yung crevice tool, pwede mo naman ikabit rin dito yan. Pwede mo rin ikabit rin dito yan. Diba? Lahat yan.
Pwede pala.
Nakabit. So, for your car, the places that are hard to reach, flexi crevice ka na lang.
I see. So we also have the tip that's for the carpet. One of my most frequently used ones as well.
So we also
Ayan.
use this not only for carpets, kahit sa mga beds.
Oh.
Yeah, to take out all the dust mites. This one. Soft dusting brush also. You could use with your favorite hose. Diba?
The soft dusting brush.
Yes. Actually, sa bahay, pwede yan sa mga computer. Diba? Keyboards, laptop, in and around your desk, in and around your kitchen. Pero sa kotse, pwede sa dashboard. And then, the filter. Di na kayo bibili ng filter. Same thing with the HEPA and the filter. You don't have to buy anymore. You wash it, you dry it, leave it to dry, 24 hours, lifetime. Wala na. Once you get a
No
Dyson,
way!
wala na kayong extra expense. So we're
I
proud about that
see.
fact.
That's great. Now it's light. It has permanent filters in it. How long is the lifetime of the battery?
We have the longest runtime in the market now, 20 minutes.
20
In
minutes.
fact,
okay.
our new one is around 40 minutes.
And di ba they come in like 2 settings? There's like a turbo.
Yes, you are normal, so you can turn it on. So you press this one. And then if you go here, that's max mode.
Yung black mode. Okay.
So the max mode will last you around 7 minutes.
All right.
All right. The normal mode will last you around 20 minutes.
What about charging time? If I want to get the full battery for the 20 to 40 minutes.
Couple of hours of charging, 2-3 hours of charging, and then you're good to go.
Ngayon kung puno na yung dust sa loob, I just open it,
Yeah.
throw it out. So you just open it
Yeah,
and
just
then
pull it lang.
and
Yeah,
comes out.
Comes out.
We learned the DIY style of vacuuming our cars, but sometimes we're just looking for something more professional. And for expert service, we need to go see an expert. So with me right now is an awesome race coach, racer, driver. What else? A dedicated Christian and a great friend, Mr. Francisco Blanco, aka Pacho. And today,
thank you.
he's gonna help us see what the difference is when you professionally detail a vehicle. He also has his own company. It's called BRE Auto Home Service, wherein you can actually call in and they come over to your house to work on your car. So today, Pacho, we're doing a demo.
Yeah, we're gonna do a demo of proper detailing.
Okay.
And then not only about the detailing, but also how to preserve the detailing.
Okay, you said proper, so that
Yeah.
means there is improper.
Oh yeah,
detailing.
definitely. That is
Okay.
improper, you know. So there are ways that you can actually clean the car. You can car wash and then destroy all the money that you already invested on the detailing.
Oh no.
You know, you can destroy it basically in 1-2 car washes.
No way. And
Yeah,
how
exactly.
does this happen?
Well, people don't realize that when they use improper products, chemicals, improper towels, they can generate a lot of scratches in the paint.
Okay.
These ones are called like swirl marks. You will see it around.
Yes, I've seen
one.
that.
Then when you have many of that of those in the paint, it doesn't look shiny anymore. The only way to do it again is to detail it again.
Okay.
But every time that you detail, you're gonna be removing a lot of layers of paint
Wait.
until you will run out of paint.
So whenever you detail, you make the paint go thinner.
Exactly. I will show you how to clean it up with this one.
All right, let's
All right.
let's see it.
Now, I really suggest, you know, the microfiber towels. The best way to use them is, you know, you fold it into 4. You have this on 1 and 4.
Okay.
So now you have 1, 2, and then you turn it around.
4 surfaces.
3, 4 faces, and then
Okay.
if you turn it all around,
It's
another
clean.
another four faces.
Got it.
Now, hold the towel from this portion where the
Where the
stitches
corner
are.
is,
Yes,
okay.
exactly. Yeah. So now the idea is this one. You know, you get the
Waterless.
waterless, and then spray it. Wait for a little while, and then you just already wipe it.
Now I see why it's effective with like a little dust, but if it's like a lot of dust,
Yeah, it will
then,
not work. There are some
yeah.
people that try to say, no, it can be done, and stuff like that, but it's really not gonna happen. So you see, now you use the other face, the other side of the face, and just clean it.
What's that made of?
I really don't know. I really
Magic.
don't know. Yeah, but
Okay.
it's like a magic, yeah? So this is how it looks like. The foam is just only a holder.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ah,
But this
okay.
one is this is the one that does the job. Okay.
Okay, the matigas
So,
one. Okay.
Yeah, so it's like a kind of a rubber, but it's really not rubber.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you use this one, the waterless car wash, same as a lubricant.
Okay.
Okay, and then you spray it. After that one, you just pass it all around. Now you can feel how smooth it is. So all the impurities there stick to the paint. They're gone. Now remember we just cleaned it a while ago, right?
Yeah.
So it's supposed to come out clean, the towel, right? Surprise?
So meron pa.
Yeah, all are those attached impurities got detached already, and then now we are picking it up with a microfiber.
From that to this.
Yes. And then we haven't used water.
Yeah.
We haven't used water. So, of course, if you're gonna go for off-road, you need to use water to clean your car. But let's say this is like after you have a nice car wash, nice detailing and everything, this is the proper way to clean up the car.
Today I'm going to share with you guys the tips I use for myself and my friends has taught me from years on riding the motorbike to keep safe on the road and to keep yourself safe from accidents.